Perfect. Now I think we should proceed with our orientation program. The best way to predict the future is to create it. A very good evening to everyone present here. On behalf of IEEE CIS Student Branch Chapter and GH Raisoni College of Engineering, I, Samiksha Bharti, feel gratified to welcome you all to the induction ceremony of Hack for Good organized by IEEE CIS SBC in collaboration with NSS CDCL. Moving further, I would request Vishal Narnavre, event lead for Hack for Good, to brief us about the event.
Thank you, Samiksha. First, I'd like to start by asking two questions to all. What if we use the power of AI to create a positive impact? What if we used what if we asked the brilliant minds from across the world to build for good? We have a lot of problems in this world that we can solve using technology. We want to be creating things for a good reason, not for just the sake of fulfilling a brief or an assignment. There's got to be more to it. There's got to be more passion, more drive. And that's why we thought of organizing Hack for Good. Hack for Good is a 7 days hackathon with the aim of building the solution to humanity's greatest problems, which would eventually promote social causes. In this hackathon, student teams develop and implement data driven solutions to increase the impact of not for profit organizations. Hack for Good is an amazing opportunity for all the students to win and create community based solutions. The problem statements include but are not limited to accident detection, stealing, vandalism, violence detection, rule monitoring, and street cleanliness. Ultimately, it's about people's life, people's well being, and people's ability to live well in the communities in which they are currently living in. Working with not for profit organization is incredibly fulfilling. It's really rewarding, and you really get to contribute in either a small or a large way to improving people's lives. We have partnered with Nagpur Smart and Sustainable City Development Corporation Limited for this hackathon. Hope you all can take away as much as you can from this event. Thank you again, and back to you, Samiksha.
Thank you, Vishal. Now I would like to give an overview about IEEE and our chapter. IEEE is the world's biggest technical and professional association dedicated to the advancement of technology for human benefit. One of the IEEE's 39 technical societies is IEEE Computational Intelligence Society. Advancing nature inspired computational paradigms in science and engineering is the goal statement of IEEE CIS. In India, there are only 5 IEEE CIS chapters, and we are fortunate to have one at our campus. The chapter's objective is to encourage technological progress by bringing people together, and its vision is to provide numerous opportunities for sharing knowledge and technical skills, as well as to collaborate and expand the network for a brighter future. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. We are grateful to have with us our chapter advisor, Professor Achamma Thomas, whose inspiration and vision is guiding us to climb the hero heights in every field we step in. We are even honored to have the director of this esteemed institution, Dr. Sachin Untavle, the sculptor of human character, a seasoned scholar and navigator of this flagship of knowledge, the man who is an inspiration for all young generations. We are really grateful for the continuous support and guidance that we receive from our mentors to make this chapter successful. Now I would request the Hack for Good team to introduce themselves.
We'll first have the presentation of Thomas, ma'am. She's here.
Ma'am, could you please enlighten us?
Yeah, hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay, thank you. So, good evening, everyone. On behalf of GHRC and IEEE Computational Intelligence Students Chapter, of GHRC, I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you to this 7-day online hackathon, Hack for Good. This is the third program under Diversity Matters project funded by IEEE Computational Intelligence Society USA. This program is organized in association with Nagpur Smart and Sustainable City Development Corporation, and we wish that through this platform we are able to build technology for social good, and hence the name was aptly selected. The IEEE CIS chapter at GHRC was formed in 2020. And in the very first year itself, the team conducted various events, the major one being our first funded project called as IEEE Power Everyone. The project was successfully completed, and our team received the Outstanding Chapter Award and also a Bronze Medal Darrell Chong Award. This motivated our team to take up more innovative events in this funded project of IEEE Diversity Matters. I congratulate the team for having successfully completed 2 programs and for making Hack for Good a reality. We wanted this event to be our contribution to society, and I'm really grateful to Bhuvaneshwari ma'am from Nagpur Smart and Sustainable City Development Corporation for having agreed to collaborate with us for this event. My best wishes to each one of you, and hope that you're all able to come up with solutions for some of the most pressing problems in our society. I would like to congratulate Vishal and Praveen for taking the lead to organize this event, and also to the chairs Aditya Bobde and Athar Vyolalikar for making these things happen. And I hope that all of you enjoy and also learn in the process. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your advice and inspirational words. We are grateful for the time and effort you took to share your thoughts and experiences with all of us. Now, I would request the Hack for Good team to introduce themselves.
Hi everyone, I am Vishal Nanavde. I am an executive committee member at IEEE SPC GHRC, and I am leading this event. I wish you all the best, and we look forward for having a fierce competition. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Praveen Bhagwatula and I'm volunteer at IEEE CIS SBC GHRC and co-lead of this event. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
This is our other backend support team without whom this event would not have been possible. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Now, I would like to call Aditya Bobde, Chapter Chair, IEEE CIS SBC, to elaborate the timeline and event flow.
Yeah, hello. So from today onwards till 21st of Jan, participants will be required to make a working model, that is a code files, and submit a video of your presentation and your build on your selected problem statement. And on 22nd of Jan, the internal core committee will evaluate your submission based on presentation, novelty, uniqueness, and applicability of your solution. Finalists will be declared on 23rd of Jan, and on 24th, the selected team will present their solution to judges and winners will be getting announced. Now I will ask Atharva to continue about the Discord server.
Okay, hello everyone. What I'll do is I'll just share my screen and show them live how to operate the Discord. So, in case you're already familiar with Discord, congratulations. In case you're not, don't worry, I got you covered. So basically, this is how the Discord server would look to you guys. And what you have to do is, as soon as you join, you can see your name being introduced in the welcome logs. Okay. So as mentioned, you have to go to this rulebook channel that's here. You can just click here and you just have to give this a thumbs up. By giving a thumbs up, you agree to the terms and conditions that are mentioned here, right? So as soon as you do the thumbs up, you will be able to access the whole server, that is to text message and etc. So once you join here, you can just introduce yourself. So this is an open channel. That means this is open for everyone to see. Okay, not only the Hack for Good participants, but anyone that is a part of the IEEE CIS SBC GHRC Discord server, right? So these are the main channels that you have to work with. So basically, this is announcements where every announcement regarding Hack for Good would be made, followed by your documents and the timeline. And in case you are working solo and you want a team, so in find a team, what you can do is you can just find others like you and you can create a team, and so hack according like that. And this is the main channel, ask a query. So anything that you have to ask, you have to do it here itself. Okay, so in ask a query, whatever queries you have, you have to just paste it here. And with that, in like for us to get notification whenever you type a query, just type this at the rate organizers. Okay, this. So at the rate organizers will pin all the organizers, and they will be like, it will be easy for them to assist you, right? And in case yeah, if you are comfortable with this and you want to do something extra, okay, so in case you're bored, so basically we have tons of bots here. As you can see, we have 5 different bots. So here you can just spam with the bots, play around. Okay, they'll show you the pictures of cats and dogs. Okay, and here we have one more bot called as Piggy. So how it works and etc. You can find it on their own channel. So basically, you can battle like this, etc., etc. So it's a lot of fun, right? Followed by, you can also listen to the music on our Discord server. Okay, so how to work? You can find it in the Hangout section. But before doing all this, one important announcement is that just rename yourself. See, so like you have given different names, but we want to know you, right? So what you have to do is find yourself in this right tab. Okay, right click on your name and go to this edit server profile, and just change your nickname to your full name, right? So your full name, or in case you are joining as a team, so team name, whatever your team name is, and hyphen your name. Okay, so this is the protocol that we are going to follow, so that would be easy for us to identify you. Just do that and save the changes. In case you're not using the laptop and you have to see anywhere else, so the here this small arrow here, also there is this edit server profile option. So this won't change your name globally, but this will change the name only for this particular server. Okay, so you have to do this format. Okay, team name followed by your name. So I think this is pretty much about the Discord server. In case you have any questions, you can drop them in the chat box and I'll answer you there. Thank you, and over to you, Samiksha.
Thank you. Now it's time for our question and answer round. This session is open for all types of questions. You all can drop in your questions in the chat box.
I can see one question. If the app is not fully functionally but half built, how much of an issue will that be? Well, you need to submit at least a prototype of what your concept is. So even if your whole even if you are not solving the whole problem, but a part of it, it is okay as long as you are doing the main part of it.
So
Hope
we are
that
not
answers the
expecting
question.
a fully functional software. Okay, so a big software we are not expecting, but what we are expecting is a MVP, which stands for minimum viable product. Okay, So just a prototype or just a minimum viable product you can create, and that's good to go.
We have another question by Sahil. Can we make hardware IoT based project?
Currently, we are only accepting the software-based projects because having an hardware-based project will it will be hard for us to evaluate them. So please just stick to the software-based project.
I hope that answers your query, Sahil. Any more questions? We have another one. The first submissions, video plus code, will be on which platform?
Okay, the first submission will be on that platform on which you have registered. So if you see on the top right corner, you will see a make submission option. So just click there and you'll see all the details that will be needed for submitting your solution. So you would see that there is this GitHub link uh, where you'll need to provide the GitHub repository link of the problem statement that you have worked on. It can be your own repository. So it does not need to be a repository. Okay, I just need to clarify that. Uh, so you have to work in such a way uh, that you all can collaborate. So that's why we have chosen the GitHub platform. And for the video, you need to submit the you need to upload your video to some open platform for like YouTube or you can even share it in G Drive. But as long as it is shareable and it is accessible by everyone.
Another question. How many maximum pages are allowed in the PPT?
Uh, the PPT can have at max 20 slides, no more than that.
Another one. Since there are a lot of first year students attending this session, can you explain what are some of the prerequisites and skills needed?
Well, actually, there aren't any prerequisite or skills needed. You can learn anything in the way, but we expect you to know a little bit about AI.
Lalit will be dropping the links here in the chat box very soon.
Okay, the same Discord link has been sent on your email also. The the same invite link that you received for this meeting uh, will also be dropping in the chat box here also.
Just drop the Discord server link. Okay. Any more questions?
Here is the Discord server link. And if there are any questions, you can ping us there and we would be happy to answer your questions there as well. Now, can we answer this one question
Okay.
as we are first? As
Asking the Discord. Okay, Samiksha. Uh, you can ask your fellow mates on the Discord server who has learned Python or something else language, and you can team up with them according to that, and you can make your team and submit the presentation. As of gaining experience is much more important than winning the prize. Okay. Yeah.
Now, moving towards the end of the event, I would like to call upon Khushi Mishra, volunteer IEEE CIS SBC GHRCE, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening to all the dignitaries present here. On behalf of IEEE CS SBC and the Hack for Good team, I, Khushi Mishra, volunteer at IEEE CS SBC, feel immense pleasure to express a heartfelt gratitude to everyone. I would especially thank our director, Dr. Sachin Ontavale, for his unfaltering support and confidence in us. I would like to thank delegates for adoring our event and sharing with us your findings and opinions today. I also wish to express my gratitude to our chapter advisor, Professor Achama Thomas, for her unwavering support and guidance. Well, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling weeks ago. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of our IEEE CS SBC who are extremely dedicated and do their best to make events like these possible. Once again, I would like to state that we are grateful to everyone who is here today. We appreciate your presence this evening. This is a great pleasure. Thank you.
As IEEE is about technical events as well as networking, you all can connect with us on the Discord server. Now, I would like to request everyone to turn on your cameras and share your experiences. You can have snaps and photos and share them on the Twitter handles tagging us. Please turn on your cameras, everyone.
Well, who is clicking the picture then? Bobde, please do the honors.
Yeah, I heard them.
I guess too many camera shy people in this meeting room. Turn on your cameras, everyone. Come on.
Yeah. Now it is great.
Bobde, one more from two. Together mode.
Okay. So we have clicked enough pictures. So if you have any query, don't forget to reach us out. We'll be more than happy to help. We have our Discord server, we have our LinkedIn server. You can connect with me, Athava, or anybody from the IEEE team. We are all on Twitter handles, LinkedIn handles. Yeah, feel free to ask your doubts there as well.
So, thank you all for joining in. And you can list your queries in the Discord server and even feel free to reach out to us at any point of time. Thank you.